Sewer right here. I keep hearing loud bangs down there. I think there's like somebody down there. What the fuck? Dude, it's creeping me out. And I'm like in the middle of a lake, so somebody would need to crawl down there. Sean was even down here with me. He went to go check it out to see like the other end. But there's banging noises down there. Hello? Is anybody down there? Spider. Oh shit.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, Sean, I'm recording. That like creepy ass sound that we heard in the sewers.
Yo, what did you hear?
Remember, I told the people that are watching, not that like that many people are gonna watch this, but
No, like did you hear how many bangs did you hear?
I heard like 3. But like I told them, you were even down here with me and it was still making that noise, and I said you went down there to check it out.
You heard 3?
Yeah, but usually there's like 2 at a time. See? Did you fucking hear that? What the fuck? Yeah. What?
Earlier we heard 10. Why are we only hearing 3 now? I don't think it's a car driving over it because there's no cars.
Well, there can't be a car driving over it because the only entrance is down here. But like, what the fuck? Dude! Whoever's down there, stop making that noise! Uh-oh.
I just found it. Because when we made the Six Flags map myth, they were just all there.
Well, you didn't make that myth up. See, dude, like, what the fuck? Sean is right here, so he's not doing it. And I'm right here above it, so I'm not doing it.
I was dying for us to do because I was up there looking around okay, is someone doing it?
Not like you're gonna see anybody, though. Knock it off! Like, I'll even record the Sean the whole time. Like, on the video, I bet you can't really hear it that well. So, like,
It sounds like...
so many people are gonna think that you're, like, banging on a sewage cap or something over here. When it's just nothing but, like, dirt and sewer and water. There is no sewer cap on this. None.
And then there's those maps over there that we just found randomly.